Hi guys, Fayas this side here once again. In this 18th video, I am going to show you how you can connect your CRM. It is absolutely for free for lifetime on mobile version. The CRM name is actually Privyr, where you can connect your leads management, the automation for absolutely for free. On the desktop version, there are some limitations, and I am going to show you how you can manage leads for your desktop version and how you can manage leads with Privyr, how to send instant alerts on normal messages on mobile version. With Privyr, we can use multiple options like for free for lifetime. Like we can manage our leads via using Privyr directly to send WhatsApp alerts, and directly you can send normal messages. Everything is automated on this Privyr app. So let's dive into this video. Guys, just go to this URL privyr.com, and I'm just giving you everything overview so that you will get complete idea, right? So convert more leads into clients from your phone, supercharge your sales with instant lead alerts. So just read it everything. Try Privyr for free. Even you can watch this video as well. So I'm just showing you. You can see here our mobile CRM connects directly to popular lead sources. So we can connect these many platforms: Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, phone, ClickFunnels. There are everything, right? You just go through this, and here you can see 1.5 million people are actively using this. So you can see we can do instant alerts, instant new lead alerts, right? So, and you can see connect your leads in just seconds. That is very helpful for us. And distribute leads to your clients and team members. That is the great option. Manage leads from your phone. Everything is very easy, effortless 30-second setup. It is less than 30-second setup actually. So I'll just show you the pricing as well. Just click the pricing. So you can see here, free forever plus unlimited access plan. Enjoy unlimited usage and access of Privyr across all your devices with Privyr Pro. So we are here using only the free version, which is on mobile version, right? So you can see here, free forever free is unlimited instant alerts on app only, unlimited lead source integration, unlimited lead distribution, unlimited messages, files and pages. So you can just read it for everything. So on the pro version we don't need anything. For the free version it is more than enough for us. So let's go to the privyr.com. Let's click try for free, and you just sign in with your Google. Just sign up with a Google. That would be more better and more easy, right? So choose your Gmail and click continue. Just give your name. If it is possible, then give your company name, or if you don't have company name, just give your Facebook page name. So click next, and here we are just signing with the Privyr. So click continue. Where do you get leads from, right? So I'm just connecting my Facebook. I just want leads from the Facebook itself. Even you can connect some other platforms. Here itself it's showing, right? Click continue. So connect Facebook leads as, get instant alerts of new leads and contact them within seconds. So just connect account of your Facebook. Click that one and sign in with your Facebook account. Click continue. Continue as your Facebook name, and here you have to choose your pages. I'm just choosing this page because I just want leads from this page only. So click next. So allow all the access to the Privyr. So switch on those things and click done. Give it all access. So you are now linked with your Privyr account. So we are linked now. Click OK. It is actually loading. So now you can see our one Facebook page is successfully connected. So click continue. Have more lead sources. We can connect other platforms. Currently we don't need this thing. So click continue. You can read it by your end. So to configure more lead sources, you can do integration as well. So you can share leads with your team members as well by putting their email here, but I don't need right now. So maybe later. And for the mobile version, I'm just skipping out right now. I will show you everything on the latter part. You can see we are successfully connected our desktop version CRM, and I will just give you the overview. You can see, click the integrations.
just check out, we are already connected over Facebook, right? So click configure. So you can see here our trading farmers page, and we have connected 4 forms, right? So that's how it is actually connected. So go back, and when somebody fill out our form, we will get notification here, and you can see the content as well. We can create some pre-made templates here to send the people, and we can see here teams and integration, everything here it is. So on Facebook connected only, right? So let me show you one more thing I just forgot to show you. So we can get here live chat option also, and now I am going to show you how you can connect in mobile version. For the mobile version, just download it from App Store or Play Store, Privyr application, and you just have type your email on this box, and you will get a OTP on your mobile. So I'm just showing you that right now. So I just got OTP, right? So I just type my OTP and then click done. So it is showing me let's get started. Click let's get started, and we are connected Facebook, right? Already just choose the Facebook one and click continue. You can connect even other platforms as well, but I don't need that right now. So click continue. We have to mandatory to enter our mobile number, so I'm just entering my mobile number. Now we have successfully connected our Privyr CRM. So you can see, right, we have a lot more options on the lower side: clients, content, follow-ups, and accounts. Everything here it is. You can create a pre-made templates and to do follow-ups leads as well. So it gives you a reminder for us, so you don't worry. If the follow-ups, you just have to create a template, and you can set up your time as well. So click the lead. So you can see here the test lead. So we can even send normal messages, we can directly call them, we can send emails, we can send WhatsApp as well. So you can see, right, just click the options and you will get these many options. Click edit client, and now we can get all the details who had submitted our form, right? Their name, display name, mobile number, WhatsApp, email address. From here you can send normal messages, you can directly send WhatsApp message as well. Let me show you how to send WhatsApp alerts on Privyr in just 8 seconds. Do follow this. Let me show you Facebook leads to WhatsApp in just 8 seconds. When somebody fill out this form, you will get a notification on your mobile. Make sure your mobile data is on. So click quick response, and we have already created a pre-made template. Just click that one, it will redirect to your WhatsApp. So that's how we can send our WhatsApp lead in just within 8 seconds. So just connect your Privyr, try for free, guys.
Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate that. Do follow us for more useful content. For these premium content, I have invested so many dollars on these paid courses as well, but I'm giving you absolutely for free. So that's the thing. Stay tuned for my next videos. Until, subscribe us, guys, and do follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe us, guys. Until then, bye bye.